Hey guys, Steven from Hessen House. Somebody reached out recently and suggested that I do a video showing exactly what's inside my kit. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and talk about some of the nuances here. Alright, so here's a close-up of the box. The packaging was designed by a friend of mine here in Austin, Texas, Tom On. The packaging is beautiful. You can see the design is really well thought out. There's a description of what's inside. Everything is really clear, and then on the back here there's a description of what is Makgeolli, the history, and what you can expect, and a little bit about our company. I actually have my email address here on the box as well. That might be a mistake, but feel free to reach out to me anytime. Alright, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so we're opening up the box here, and as soon as you open it up, there's some instruction. How to brew Makgeolli. There's several steps. There's some images, graphics, and it lays out everything really quite well. So there's also some recipes. So I'm going to make a couple other videos actually. One explaining why I built this, because the story is important to me, and another video doing a deep dive on the recipe. Alright, so as we open this up, there's a few other things in here. As you can see, the packaging is interesting on the inside. We have a filter bag. There's also a collapsible funnel. So we're going to open this up. This is what holds the jar in place. It's a glass jar. There's a tag here, and it says Hessen House, Gombe, which means cheers. It's got our logo. It says made in Austin. The best way to take the jar out of this packaging is to kind of move it together like this, and then it kind of pops out the back. So this is meant to just hold the jar in place while it's shipping. Alright, so we're going to open this up. The glass jar here is actually our brewing vessel, and that's what we're going to use. It's a half-gallon glass jar. It's got some interesting design work on the side. The jar is dishwasher safe, so you're not going to ruin any of the design here. You can run it in the dishwasher, you can hand wash it. It is made of glass though. So on the inside we've got a few things in here. This is a no-rinse sanitizer. It's an acid-based sanitizing solution. It's more there for peace of mind when brewing. You can also use a number of other kinds of sanitation. Alright, so I've taken everything out of the brewing vessel here, and we've got Korean Nuruk, we've got a small amount of wine yeast, brewing yeast, we've got our Korean chapsal rice, there's the no-rinse sanitizing solution, a collapsible funnel for bottling, and then we also have a set of instructions with recipes and our filter bag. So again, everything comes as described on the outside of the box. I just wanted to quickly unbox everything and show you what you can expect. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe this video for future content, and please reach out if you have any questions.